Hello. So I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not really gonna do an intro today, but I wanted to make a video. This is gonna be like a small haul in a sense. I ordered this collector's box for the Life is Strange Double Exposure. So y'all can see what I got. I kind of already opened it because I didn't want to struggle opening it. So it comes in this big box showing you this size because I don't need to be doxxed. I don't need to dox myself. I don't need strangers showing up to my house. Oh my god. I probably should have unwrapped this, but I just did it. This is, probably can't see it closely, but this is Life is Strange Double Exposure. It's pretty. So I had to open the box. Had to open it out. And oh shoot. Yes, this is what comes with Max Clawfield art book. Very small though. Yeah, it's an art book. Pictures of Max. And then all these characters. Amanda, who is, I guess, one of my romantic interests. And then Lang as well. He's alright looking, but I'm choosing a girl as my romantic interest every time. Her ass is annoying as hell. I know before the game came out, a lot of people thought this was Rachel, but sorry, Rachel is dead. Rachel is dead. I'll probably post some close-ups of everything on my Instagram so y'all can see. What is this? This is a owl pen. Cute. This. Oh, and this is the vinyl. Now I don't have a vinyl player, but one day I will. So I think I'm gonna keep this in here, and this is my first vinyl, and it's actually beautiful that I get my first vinyl for my favorite franchise. This, I don't know what this is. Of course I know this is Max, and then this is Lucas, prick. But this is, I think, everything of the collector's edition. But definitely happy about this. Thanks for watching. By the time y'all see this video, I'll be posting this maybe Monday, and I will already be on chapter 3 by then. But when I do post this, I will be streaming up chapter 4 Wednesday and maybe finishing this week. So y'all still be able to catch up. Deuces.